Hello there, Scott Melgren here at SkipperBud's in Oshkosh. Here we have one of our new 2023 H22s in stock here. Just landed and ready to go. We'll get up in the inside there here in just a minute. Let's go jump on in board here. It does come with a tandem axle trailer. Getting up inside here, you can see you got nice seating here in the stern. And it is actually seating where it's legal to ride facing backwards even while you're surfing. Nice arrangement getting into the boat here. Lots of seating throughout for a 22-footer. Get your touchscreen controls for everything here. Boat is rated for 14 people. Nice little playpen style seating area. Boat does have a tower with nice Rockford Fosgate tower speakers. So yeah, there you have it. It's our new 2023 H22, ready for a new home. Ready to get in the water and start surfing. So if you'd like more information, please give us a call.